All right, I have a good news for you. Google Cloud is providing free certification and training. So please follow along this video till the end. If you skip this, you'll miss important steps and you'll be at risk of getting the free certification vouchers and the criterias what needs to be satisfied. So first and foremost things, if you're interested, which certifications are covered, there are basically the certifications: generative AI leader, which is a new Google's Google Cloud certification with respect to Gen AI. Then we have associate cloud engineer, then professional cloud architect, another the famous certification with respect to Google Cloud, and the most pursued one as well. So these are the certification, and if you look at the date, the end date we have March 11. So you got to hurry up, um, because the edition one duration is this. Now, second most important thing is that you got to sign in using your corporate email address. You should have a valid work email. You shouldn't use any kind of personal email or university email. It's clearly mentioned you won't be accepted. And you might be having a question about voucher then. So the certification vouchers, it's mentioned not automatic. You need to earn yours. You need to complete all required learning milestones, hands-on labs, and skill batches with the cohort timeline. So timeline you already know, right? So here are the steps. What you need to do: step one, join the gear. Then you need to confirm your eligibility, that you're employed with Google Cloud customer to qualify. Basically, you got to fill up your corporate email. If you're confused, you can connect it with your talent acquisition HR in your company. They will let you know whether your company is a Google partner or not. So in that way, you can also validate. So now, since the seats are limited enrollment, we got to hurry up, and please make sure it's no membership, it's no cost membership, right? So it's free completely, but for corporates. So let's get started. You got to begin with the join gear. So join gear is here. Let's click join gear to apply. Let's click on become member. Once you're fill up the short form, you got to click on submit. Let's hit submit button, and there we go. So we are done with the first step, that is we got to view our profile. So we are done with this, and similarly you got to confirm the eligibility criteria. So once you are done with these, you are all set to secure your spot. So that's what it goes. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that it can help them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.